Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how I make the fire pit that we use for our grill. This is the exact same fire pit that I have in my backyard. I've had it for about 3 years. It's amazing. You get these rocks from Lowe's. They're $2.38 a piece, I think, and so it's like $128-ish, $130 for 54 stones to duplicate the exact same fire pit that I have in my backyard. You can do a lot of different styles of cooking. You can smoke ribs, you can do wings and smash burgers and all kinds of good stuff, but pretty inexpensively, we get a lot of family time around the fire pit when you're not cooking. You leave the stakes in the ground. I'm going to show you exactly how I set it up from stage one of setting up the fire pit first. The wind that we normally have right here goes from north and south, so I'm going to set up my fire pit in a way that smoke's not going to be coming towards my face, but I'm going to take you through it step by step. So there we go. So what I do is I go ahead and lay down my griddle or my grill first. I'm going to find my hole pattern, try to get it kind of squared up with the direction that I want to be in. And I'll take my stakes. These are used for my old fire pit. I'm going to keep those. This is a new grill. I'm just going to put a new grill and a new griddle out here. But what I do is I go ahead and line the holes up, and I'll try to get this started. And then, you know, if the hole moved over a little bit, you can adjust. So I'll build my fire pit around this area now that I have the holes lined out for my actual grill. And then you just want to set these in vertically straight with the wings running parallel to the back face of your grill. And then that supports all the forward weight. You can hold about 245 pounds of weight on there. So, but we'll end up driving these wings all the way up to where they're flush with the dirt here. These are my go-to knives. This is a Tuck Jr. from Tactical Keychains. And this is my Tuck XL Tactical Keychains knife. You can find them. Quick change blade locks. Also magnetic. Anyways, I'm gonna use my Tuck XL to open up this wrapping from Lowe's for the rock. Tactical Keychains. I start with my first rock here in the center, just because my OCD. My first rock's always in the center. I'm going to do 12 rocks around on the base. I'm going to do 2 layers high, so that's 24. I'm going to do the first layer, and then I'm going to level everything out to make sure that everything's level. My handsome friend Steven is sitting back there, the director.
Like a construction site with that guy watching everybody else work.
Yeah. So now that I have my base level, I have 12 rocks going around, and so what you do is you go ahead and put your 2 stakes in and you build the fire pit around that. If you already have your fire pit built and the stakes will fit in it, then you just figure out that layout for you. But whenever I'm building the fire pit just for the grill or the griddle, I go ahead and put the stakes in first so I can center up the grill inside that fire pit. It just seems a little bit easier that way. But I'm going to add another layer of 12 on the bottom, so it'll be 24, 2 layers high. And then I'm going to staircase on the back, and then I'm going to add brick on the bottom as well. The staircasing on the back becomes like a windbreak for smoke, in the fire. So instead of pushing your heat this way or whatever, your heat's going to more rise up towards the food. And also the smoke just kind of turns in there. So if you're smoking ribs or something like that, especially like wings and stuff, that tends to work better. The ground, what I notice, if I don't have the brick on the bottom, the ground will want to suck the heat out of the either charcoal or your ambers. And so with the brick on the bottom, it kind of absorbs the heat, but it also pushes it back up towards the food. So I can do better controlled cooks that way. So I'm going to go ahead and start staircasing now, and then maybe we can get a fire lit up before it gets too dark. So. All right, and that's it. So we got 54 rocks down. We got 24 on the base. That makes up the base. I'm gonna fill up the inside with bricks. And then we got our fire pit finished. So when we're not using it for cooking, we just pull that out. It's not a big deal. You know, if you guys want to, you guys put this on the back side for now, just to get it out of your way. Or you can just take it off completely. And then you have a place for the family to hang out at nights. And whenever you're not hanging out around the fire, you can be grilling and cooking out. Anyways, this is a perfect backyard fire pit if you're gonna have something that's permanent. The girls have been wanting to do a marshmallow cook. Do some s'mores.
No, it's sticking.
Oh, I know. I'm recording. You want to come over here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Anyways, so we're going to do some s'mores. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they've been waiting for me to do this all day. So here we go. We're getting ready to start a fire. Aren't we?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, step back. All right, and the brand new fire pit. What do you think?
Good.
Good? Is it awesome?
Yeah.
Nice. What do you think, George? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. I mean, everybody needs this in their backyard. This is what life's about: spending time with your family and friends and cooking out, eating s'mores. Ain't that right?